Hello children. Today we will start lesson 5 division. To do division you have to learn the table, multiplication table. So we will start today. Division means equal sharing or equal grouping. Okay. Division means equal sharing or you can tell equal grouping. Suppose I have 10 chocolate. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I want to divide it between two children, A and B. So what I will do? I will give 1 to A, 1 to B, again 1 to A, this one to B, this to A, this one B, this one A, one B, this one A, this one B. This is known as your equal sharing, means the children will get the equal number of chocolate. Like A is getting 5 chocolate and B is also getting 5 chocolate. So this is known as your equal sharing. Now what do you mean by equal grouping? If I have 10 key rings with me, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 keys are with me and I have 2 key rings with me. 2 key rings with me. And I have to put equal number in each key ring. So what I will do? I will count the number, that is your 10. And then I will divide the 10 between 2 key rings. So what to do? You will see in multiplication table of 2 where 10 is coming. So 2 5s are 10. That is 5. So one ring will have 5 keys each. Okay. So we will have 5 keys in one ring each. So this is known as your equal grouping. So children, this is your symbol or sign of your division, and this is known as your division fact. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. This is known as your division fact. If I will give you a number like 4 into 2 is equal to 8, and I will ask you to write the division fact, will ask you to write the division fact of this number. So how you will write? We will write 8. First we will take 8, the total number, divided by 2. So we will get the answer 4. Or we can take 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. So this is known as your division fact. So now we will start with our exercise. So children, now we will start with our exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. Distribute 15 pens equally among 3 students. So how many total pens are there? 15. So we will write total number of pen is 15. And we have to distribute among 3 students. That is number of children 3. So what will be the division fact? The total number of pen divided by number of children. So what will be the answer? Each student will get how many pen? So what we will do? We will see in multiplication table of 3, 15 is coming in which place? So we know that 3 5s are 15. So we will write 5. So number of pen with each student will be 5. Come to the second number. Put 20 flowers equally into 4 vases. Now it is telling that 20 flowers are there. You have to put this number of flowers equally in 4 vases. So what we will do? Total number of, it is written marble. First you correct it. It will be flowers. So what is the total number of flower? 20. Number of vases how many? 4. So the division fact will be 20 divided by 4. That is your 5. So number of flower in each vase is 5. So children, third number you will do it by yourself. Then we will go for Exercise 2. Same, we have to show how to do the equal grouping. Okay, it is written 6 pencils, 4 pencil in one packet. It is telling that there are total 16 pencils, and in one packet you will have 4 pencils. So what we will do, we will write the total number of pencil is 16. Number of pencil in each packet you see it is written 4 pencils, so we will write 4. So number of packets required, so how many packets you will require to put 16 pencil. So what we will write, 16 divided by 4, that is 4 4s are 16, so we will write 4. So we need 4 packets to put 16 pencils. Then come to the second one, 20 buttons, 5 button in one packet. It is telling that total number of buttons is 20, and in one packet 5 buttons are there. So number of button in each packet, 5. So number of packet required, how many number of packets will be there to pack 20 buttons. So we will write 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So we want 4 packets. Let us see third number, you will do it by yourself. Let us see the fourth number. 30 keys, 10 keys in one ring. So total number of keys how many? 30. Number of keys in each ring how many? 10. It is written one ring, 10 keys. So number of rings required, how many rings are required to put 30 keys? So what we will do, 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. So the answer is 3. Then come to the exercise 3, where you have to write the division fact for the following question. Written, divide 15 leaves in 5 equal groups. So what we will do, we will write the total number of leaves, and then by into how many equal groups we have to make? 5. So 15 divided by 5, you know 5 3s are 15, so the answer will be 15. Next, divide 35 toffees into 6 equal groups. So total number of toffees will be 35, and into how many equal group to be divided? 5. So 5 7s are 35, so we will write the answer 35. Children, you will complete this exercise by yourself. Thank you.